Yep. All right, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to another live stream from the Scalar Learning channel. Sorry, I'm just kind of throwing this together, but I'm trying to get as many streams as possible for you leading up to the October 2nd test. Somebody asked me on Instagram the other day, am I going to post the schedule again and do all that? Absolutely, and we're going to get a ton of live streams rolling through, a ton of videos, just awesome stuff coming up in the next week for everybody going for this October 2nd test, and it's going to be great because I'm taking it as well. I'm super excited about that. It is going to be a QAS test. And what's up to Instagram? We got Instagram rolling simultaneously, and if you're on Instagram, you're going to kind of be able to see different angles and kind of see what these streams are all about. But if you want to see my screen live, we'll try and show you some of that with Instagram. You can kind of see what I'm doing, but you can just go onto YouTube and look for Scalar Learning, right? It's all there. It's all the same name, all the same brand. All right. What's up, everybody? And hello, Corsat. Welcome. So we're just going to jump into another one of these mini tests. If you guys haven't heard, these mini tests are amazing. They are, quick rapid fire burst of random questions. What's up, Taram? What's up, Jonathan? Yeah, these are pretty hard, but they're not too hard. I say they're right in that sweet spot. So that's why I love these mini tests. And we got a 15-minute timer, so it's a good dose of random material. This one's calculator, so I do have the calculator up here as well. You guys are free to ask questions and stuff in the chat or in the comments, and I will do my best to respond ASAP. What's up, Basir? Okay, guys, we got to jump into it because I got a crazy schedule today, and I actually have to be done right in 15 minutes. So here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh, wait, let me open up my thingy. Ruh-roh, where is the web paint? Boom, there we go. So now we can open web paint. Oh, come on, bro. We got to reload the page. 3, 2, there's web paint. 1. And Nays, what's up, Samarth? And let's go. Let's do it. Boom. All right. An exponential graph playing to the left. Which of the following equation represents the graph? Okay, so it's definitely... So look, it crosses at 2, so we need 2 in front here, right? That's the initial value. You're out and you're out. And then it's going down, so it's going to be the 0.75 and not the 1.75 because that would be going up. Now, if you want to verify, you can plug and chug. Plug in 1 here, and you would get 0.75 times 2, which is 1.5. That about looks right. We're going to go with B. Boom. Done. Numero dos. Effect of temperature on the solubility, not sure I'm saying that right, potassium nitrate. The graph above shows the result of observational data to determine the effect of, okay. Based on the results, which conclusion is best supported by the evidence? Now, I'm already going to look at this, and I'm feeling like I'm seeing an exponential increase, right? It looks like an exponential curve. Let's see. There's evidence of it. I would not say linear. There is an evidence of an association between, it's not appear. I would say that makes more sense, solubility and temperature. The lower the temperature, the greater the solubility. The opposite, in fact, is true, so C makes no sense. Depends on temperature. I mean, yeah, see, to me, this I would not call linear. Like, you get what I'm saying, right? Linear would be more something like this. This looks like an exponential curve. This is a strange question because I wish they would have said, hey, it's exponential. So it's a little vague because you could arguably say it's linear, like it's kind of linear. Okay, hold on. Let me think about this for a second. There's evidence associated that does not appear to be. I'm going to roll with B. I could be on the fence with A because it does look kind of linear, but to me it looks more exponential. And especially without this dot, it kind of is swooping up. So let's go for it and we'll see what the answers are. Boom. Okay, next. Mikhail is a summer project in which you must complete at least 35 hours of community service at the city park. Each day he goes to the park, he volunteers 7 hours. Okay, he goes and volunteers 7 hours. It takes him 1.5 hours to get to the park each way. So that's 1.5 and it's counting towards community service. So 7 plus 1.5, which is another 3. Which of the following inequalities can be used to find the number of days he must volunteer to the park to complete his summer project, and he needs 35. So I would say immediately I'm looking at D because it says the 1.5 hours to get to the park each way, which also counts towards his community service. So I feel like we have to do the whole thing. 7 per day plus that additional 1.5, 3 per day. And we're trying to get at least 35. Also, the greater than 35 should be out as well because at least is greater than or equal to. So I'm rolling with D. Boom. Done. Number 4. Which of the following is equivalent to this? Okay, it looks like we're going to do some factoring. Hold on, let me see if I can... I'm trying to think of a shortcut. You know what? I'm assuming they did completing the square. So I'm going to do completing the square as well. I'm going to factor out the 2 from the front thing, x squared plus 2x plus 3. And then completing the square, we take half of that 2, and which is 1 squared, and that's just 1, boom. And then add 3. But since I'm effectively adding a 2, if we think about the fact that 2 is multiplying the 1, I need to subtract the 2. And then we factor this. The 3 minus 2 is 1. And then it becomes x plus 1 squared. And looks like A is the winner. Okay, so if you forget how to complete the square and not sure how to do it, of course you can go through the answer choices and like foil them out and see which one equates to this. So that's also a backup strategy. All right, A done. Let me see the time. It's 12 minutes. In a poll of 14, blah, 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 this poll spent an average of 95. Those polls spent an average of 95 per day in November of last year as compared with 91 per day in November 2,000 years ago. What? Oh. What? Okay, so I guess it's just spending. The results had a margin of error at $4 at night. Okay. So $4. The results had a margin of error. Which of the following is a reasonable claim to make? Okay, so let me write this out. Those polls spent an average of 95 per day in November of last year, 2 years ago. So it's 95 last year, and 2 years ago was 91. But a margin of error of $4. I'm assuming for both. Again, this question is a little sloppy, but let's assume that's what they're talking about. So I like to write out the margin of error plus or minus 4 in either direction. Okay. All adults in the United States spent between last November. That's exactly what we showed with the margin of error, so I'm probably going to circle A. 95%, no, that's not what confidence level means. That's not what confidence level means. Wait. The all is a little shady too. Sorry. But it's probably, we probably could say all because, hold on, between 91 and 99. Oh, this is weird. Because like, the margin of error, we should be able to say all, but I usually don't like to say all. Is it possible that average daily spending of adults in the United States remained the same in November of last year as it was? This is so strange. Okay, I suppose it is possible because, look, 95. There's overlap here. I think we have to go with C because it is possible that it remains the same, even though I like this one usually. But you would say actually, yeah. What am I talking about? Of course, this is wrong because that's the average. So it's not all adults spend that, but the average is between. So A is out, and then D makes no sense. All right, caught myself there. Next, a company sells candy. Hey, you came from IG, Instagram. What's up, Zaid? A company sells candy in jars. And by the way, if you're watching on Instagram, go to my YouTube channel. Go to YouTube and search for Scalar Learning, and you can see this. Everything I'm working on. A company sells candy in jars that each have a volume of 3 cups. Okay. Each jar is filled above a certain line, guaranteeing that it has. Wait, a company sells candy in jars that have a volume of 3 cups. Jars that have a volume of 3 cups. Each jar is filled above a certain line, guaranteeing that it has more than 8/3, which is 2 2/3. So it's going to be 2 2/3 filled. Which is the following graph shows the possible volume in candy, C in cups, a customer may have given that they bought J jars. So J, it maxes out at like a slope of 3, and then the minimum line should be a slope of 8/3, but it shouldn't be shaded like below like this. It should be in between, you see, because it should be above 8/3, above the 8/3 line and below the other one. So like this makes more sense. It's probably B. I'm actually already going to assume, but let's make sure it has the right slope. So how do we see? So if it goes up 30 over 10, yes. And the other one goes up 8 over 6. So, I mean, up 16 over 6. Up 16. This pretty much feels right. I feel like B is the winner. But let's just double check. Yeah, why would it be above? That makes no sense. And why would you go on the negatives? Okay, so we're pretty happy with that. Number 7. Close this. All right. 6A is blah, blah, blah. What does the value of A times B? Oh, my God. These numbers look terrible just from the answer choices. Consider the system above. I'm trying to think of a fast way to do this, but I can't think of one. So we are just going to go standard. Okay. I'm going to multiply, and go 6 minus 6A. By the way, this is unrealistic. There's not questions usually like this on the real SAT, but I'm just saying. Okay, then we're going to combine like terms. We're going to subtract 3A. That's negative 9A. I'm going to subtract 6 from that side equals negative 3B minus 3. Negative 3B And then on the bottom, we're going to get distribute 4b minus 8 equals 3a. And we're going to try and line these up. So I'm going to flip it around. I'm going to say 3a equals 4b. I'm doing this fast because we're running low on time. So I want to cancel out the a's. So let's multiply this by 3. It lines up really nicely. So then it becomes 9a equals 12b minus 24. And I combine, cancel. And then I get 0 equals 9b minus 27, I believe, right? Those two negatives, 27. And then let me think. And then so 9b equals 27. B equals 3. Okay. So B equals 3. Plug in for B and let's get A. So 3 minus 3. Wow. Okay. Hide this person. That's bad comment. Somebody just left. Okay. Then, sorry. Anyways, plug in 3 and we get 3 minus 2 is 1. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 equals 3A. A equals divided by 3, which is 4/3. So what is this times this is 3 times 4/3 is 12/3. Wait, I'm so confused. The answer is not here. What is the value of B is 3? Did I not get that right? Okay, B is 3, and then is 4 equals 3A, 4/3. Hold on. B is 3. And what is the value of A times B? I'm kind of slightly confused. I may have made a mistake. Hold on. Let me double check. 3 times A, 3 minus... Oh, I did make a mistake. No. This was supposed to be 1. Oh, snap. Let's see if I can still get this in time with that huge mistake. Okay, and then okay, I'm going to have to erase. Oh, this is a disaster. Okay, fingers crossed. Let's see what I can do here. All right, 6 minus 6a. So then it's, so we still have negative 9a subtract equals negative 3b minus 5. And then, so that's the first equation. The second one, what do we have? 4b minus 8 equals 3a. So I'm going to do the same thing again. 3a equals 4b minus 8 multiplied by 3, multiplied by 3. Boom. Get rid of all this stuff. 9a equals, what was that? Positive 4b? Yeah, it's positive 4b. 12b minus 24. Combined with that, that becomes 9b minus 29. Okay, this is looking better compared to the answer. Equals 0. 29 equals 9b. B equals 29 ninths. Oh my God. Okay. B equals 29 ninths minus, that would be 18 ninths, which is 11 ninths. So 4 times 11 ninths equals 3a. Hold on. Where did I put it? I put it here, right? Okay, just box that. 4 times 11 ninths equals 3a. That's 44 ninths. Divided by 3, that's 44 27ths. A equals 44 27. So if I multiply this times this, oh my God. Okay, 27 times 9. Let's use a calculator. 27 times 9 is denominator 243. It's got to be this one, and it's positive, so I'm going with D. We got to hustle, so I'm just going to roll with it. 3 questions left. All right, here we go. That was not ideal, but it worked. Okay, which is fine. City says the largest population density in 2010. Largest population density is people divided by square miles. So this divided by this. I am going to have to quickly estimate. I'll do them all. 645,000 divided by 48.43. That is 13318. Next is 2712 divided by 227 equals, that one's out. That one, the first one's bigger. Miami is 360 divided by 35. Oh, this one might be the winner. That's oh no, it's only 10. And then wait, what? Oh my God, that was so wrong. 360,123 divided by 35 is 10,000. That's out. And then 1517 divided by 135 is 111. Okay, Boston's winner. Boom, done. Hope I didn't make a silly mistake. 3 minutes left. Price P and good dollars. Price P using correction Y is the number of years since the beginning of 2000, which the following correction describes the growth P with respect to Y. So for every year, P is going to go up by 1.5. Yeah, it's got to be this, because if I multiply Y across, it's 1.5 Y, and you can see this is essentially the slope. So as each year P increases linearly by 1.5. Think about it. 1, it goes 1.5. 2, 3, 3 would be 4.5, etc. I'm not even gonna mess with it. I'm just gonna roll through to number 10. A marine aquarium has a small tank and a large tank, each containing small and large, each containing only red and blue fish. Red, blue, red, blue. In each tank, the ratio of red to blue is 3:4, 3:4. The ratio of fish in the large tank to the fish in the small fish in the large tank, fish in the small tank is 46:5. What is the ratio of the blue fish in the small tank to the red fish in the large tank? Okay, I think I can do this. I think we can just make up numbers. So I'm going to say that, watch this. I'm going to just multiply. So I'm going to say that there's, it should all work out 15 and to 20, right? Red and blue. I'm just multiplying to 120, 138 to 160, 184. I'm just doing it mentally just because I'm pressed on time. So he said, what is the ratio of the blue fish in the small tank to the red fish in the large tank? So 20 to 138, which is 10 to 69. Boom. Okay, I think we got it. 2 minutes left. Let's see if that's correct. Okay. I think I'm going to roll with it, and let's see. Wasn't there one question I think I was a little shaky on? What was it? I don't remember. No, that one we were good. That one we were good. I think that one was good. I think, this one, but like, I'm just going to roll with it because it doesn't look linear to me. It looks exponential, and I think that's what they were getting at. All right, let's see. Come on. Yeah, we got them all. All right, sweet. Dope. I hope you guys enjoyed that on Instagram too. Look at all the views. Amazing. Thank you, everybody. And I'm Indian too. Huzefa, sorry I couldn't join your past live streams. Nubis, no worries, man. Welcome to have you. Welcome back. Thank you guys for all the likes, by the way. This is amazing. I really appreciate it. All the likes are super helpful, super supportive. What's a good score for Ivies? Check out my video, everything you need to know about the SAT. I go through all of that stuff. And you're welcome, Danny. Is there content coming? Yes, 100%. This is part of that stream, but we're going to do way more. Okay, guys, I got to roll. I got a tutoring appointment in 4 minutes. Thank you so much. If you did like the video, make sure to click that like button. If you want to check out our SAT course, it's in the description link below. And last but not least, if you want to see more from the Scale It Learning channel, make sure to click subscribe. Thank you guys so much for joining.